Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to put a new nozzle on an existing hose pipe. Okay, so this is a water stop connector, and what you should do is take this grey thing off, get the hose, put the grey thing on this way, and then with the water stop connector, make sure you insert it like this, very firmly. See if I can get it in. Success. Now what you should do is to screw the grey thing back on, so it will secure the hose onto the water stop connector. Do it as tightly as possible. Okay, now this is on, you can put on the nozzle. All done. Let's test it.